Everyone thinks that they can post every single day, twice a day, and start getting results on Instagram, but you're not gonna grow. Instagram has lost its organic effect, and as a result, a lot of companies and businesses are losing tons of time and resources on a old, unproven Instagram strategy. This is an interview I have with a pretty big marketing agency in Sydney. I give them a consulting session. I'm going to reveal to you guys what my current strategy when it comes to Instagram is, and I'll actually go ahead and use paid traffic to boost the growth of my account, and how I go ahead and use retargeting to really get low cost per purchases. So here's the segment. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Super value packed. This is a pretty high quality meeting between me and one of Sydney's top independent marketing agencies. Before we get into the video, let's quickly announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, consulting courses with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Here's the video. Right now, what I've been doing with Instagram, a lot of people have been just posting content like every single day. So brands are pretty good with posting daily content, but what they're not doing is right now they're sort of just organically growing their brand. Right. Getting 5, 10, 50 followers every day, and they're posting every single day, and it's not really getting an ROI. What I've been doing is I've been running a lot of swipe up ads for Instagram. When they would swipe up, they would go to the Instagram page and optimize for the follow. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and optimize for link clicks and just sort of run these brand ads, optimizing for link clicks, getting people to go ahead and see my ad, be like, hey, if you're interested in, I don't know, cool phone cases, or if you want to learn cool tricks on how to look after your phone, swipe up, follow, and that's sort of what I've been doing. And
that's encouraging growth.
Exactly.
Right.
And then what I found is that the lifetime value of a new follower over like a 90-day period, when they're seeing your content every single day, that could be worth up to like $1.50 per follow. But using the strategy, you'll get followers at 20 cents each. So this is something that you could scale long term. You won't be profitable on the front end, but over a 90-day lifetime period, you'll become profitable. And what people are doing is they're just posting every day to a current following that's not growing at a good rate. If you sort of combine daily content with growing your follow account, like amazing results.
Okay, so it's link clicks.
Correct.
That's the objective.
Yes.
So it's traffic,
Yes.
link clicks, with the link as the page profile.
Yes.
Right.
So
I didn't know you could link a page profile. Could you do that?
As in, like,
Yeah.
you just use the
URL.
URL.
Right. Okay.
That makes sense.
Cool.
And then what you guys could do is, right now a lot of brands, they do that, but you know how you swipe up and you get this sort of weird in Instagram web browser? It's very unintuitive.
Yeah.
What you do is you can run an ad. No, you have to post a story on your main profile, and you boost that in Instagram. Then when people swipe up, it goes straight to your Instagram page, and there's no like weird web browser.
Yeah, that's what's like annoying.
Exactly.
Not through the back end.
Exactly. And you could also do it through the back end. That also works because when they swipe up, it's this weird clunky sort of version, but when they click follow, it redirects it back to the actual Instagram page.
Right, okay, got you. Okay, interesting.
And then
We've had a lot of clients, we're trying to go away, we're trying to move away from growth.
Okay.
Because we found that it's a bit of a vanity metric.
Okay.
And Facebook and Instagram obviously want to move toward more brand awareness and reach and things like that.
Yeah.
But we are finding that we have a few clients that need that growth to get into certain festivals or like they need like 10K plus or something like that to get into that. So we're finding this, like, we're trying to toe the line between encouraging them to be spending more money on reach and conversions and things like that rather than growth. But we sort of haven't really found a good platform that can help us do it. Facebook now recognizes us as bots. So if we try and manually engage and things like that, we're getting blocked out and stuff like that. So this is a pretty good alternative, I guess. Okay, cool.
And then like the bigger important reason why you want to do that is you want to build a remarketing list. You don't like, that's sort of the front end goal, but the back end is now you have all these followers that are not only being primed through daily content, but remarketing to them with ads, so powerful. So like me remarketing on Facebook to my Instagram following, super high conversion rates.
Right.
And that's an asset you want to grow. You want to grow the Instagram following so that you can remarket them later down the road. If you have a new product, if you have new merch, if you have a new event, that's sort of why you want to grow the Instagram following, to remarket them.
Okay, cool.
So that's sort of things I've been doing on Instagram.
And that was the video. Hopefully you guys were able to learn something about Instagram. Every week I'm going to release more and more segments of this interview. Lots of golden nuggets. We talk about a lot of other topics, and it's a whole 45 meeting that I've chopped up into many different topics. So I'm going to feed to you guys every single week. So be sure to watch the following episodes, and that's today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All I ask is simple: like of this video, hit the subscribe button, help me with that. I'm just giving away so much free value completely for free. People pay me for this advice, and I'm just giving it to you guys completely for free. So hopefully you guys are enjoying today's value. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.